Hi everyone, my name is Aylar and I'm a student at the University of Kansas, and today I would like to tell you more about holidays in the United States. One of the features about holidays in the United States that I really admire is just how diverse the holidays in this country are. For example, over winter break, people get to celebrate Christmas, which is a predominantly Christian holiday. People celebrate Hanukkah, which is a Jewish holiday. People also celebrate Kwanzaa, which is a holiday that celebrates heritage of African and African American folks. Some other holidays that are very diverse include Eid or Ramadan and Diwali, and it's just really awesome because you get to celebrate different holidays with people from different cultures and backgrounds and learn more about their culture. And all these holidays are pretty widespread, so it's not like it's a quiet celebration. They're widely celebrated, they're acknowledged and appreciated by a lot of Americans. For example, I got to celebrate Nowruz in the United States, and this was such a fun time because I got to wear my Turkmen clothes and meet other people from Central Asia, as well as share our culture with Americans who might not have known about Nowruz celebration and eat tasty Turkmen food. Christmas is another holiday that I got to experience for the first time in the United States. It was also a lot of fun learning about people's cultures and traditions, and everything was so beautifully decorated. And I also got to spend some time with my friends and celebrate Ramadan, and that was really huge because I had missed my community and this was very refreshing. Another excellent feature of American holidays is just the importance of getting together and how these holidays bring people together, whether it's family or friends. For winter holidays, for Thanksgiving, everybody goes home, gets to spend the time with their friends and family. There are also different friend versions of these holidays. For example, for Thanksgiving, there's a holiday called Friendsgiving, where it's just the friends getting together and celebrating the holiday. But that togetherness and being with your family and friends can also be a double-edged sword, just because international students often don't get a chance to see their families for a long time. So if you live on a dorm, for example, you will probably be one of the very few people who stayed home because all your friends might leave to see their families. Similarly, for winter holidays, a lot of times you might get invited to some people's celebration, but it's also the time when you miss your family the most. This picture was taken in 2017, and it was the last time my family got to celebrate New Year's Eve all together with all my siblings and my parents. And anytime I look at this picture, I just want to be home so much, but unfortunately flying is not cheap and going home is not an option. Another prominent feature of holidays in America, at least in my experience, is the power of traditions. There is a tradition for every holiday, some of them just being like getting together with everyone, for example, for Mother's Day, for Father's Day. Some of the other traditions can be holiday specific. For Thanksgiving, a turkey is a must, and a lot of people would cook it, and there are different ways of preparing it, but a turkey will always be on the table. For Christmas, for example, it's the act of giving gifts and sharing time with friends, and of course Santa pictures. For some other holidays, it could be different things, but the traditions are very strong and it's really just fun to observe them. Here you can see me wearing my ugly sweater, which is a Christmas tradition. Everybody would dress up in the sweaters and they would try to make it as ugly as possible, and it would be very festive, and there would be even contests. Another big Christmas tradition is decorating gingerbread cookies. This one was done by professionals, so it's looked very nice, but I also got to do it myself, and while my gingerbread houses didn't look as nice, I still had a blast decorating them. Please let me know if you have any questions. Also feel free to share what your favorite holiday is in the comments. I would love to see all your answers.